Welcome back to the Jestic Test Kitchen. Today we're going to make a tapenade using the Vitamix Vita-Prep 3. So we have our ingredients here. We're going to be using green olives and black olives. So if we just pop those straight into the container, then we're going to add some black olives. Then we've got half a jar of sun-dried tomatoes. We're going to do 3 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, bit of seasoning, and then the neutral oil. We're going to be using the accelerating tool to help push everything down. So we'll turn it on slowly at first, and just using the tool to push the olives and the tomatoes down into the blade, and then we can start to speed that up a little bit. I like to do this by eye, because sometimes you might feel like you need to add a little bit more oil. Not too much, but enough to keep the product moving around. Turn that up a bit more. Now, depending on how chunky you like your tapenade, you could take that down finer if you wanted to. If you would like more information about the Vita-Prep 3, please contact us on info@jestic.co.uk.